Hi, I'm Jay Cohen from Blast Law, and we're here to talk about how to know if you are being investigated for sexual assault. Typically, this is going to start when an officer comes up to your house, starts asking a few questions, just general, and then they say, hey, would you mind coming in for an interview so we can talk about a few more things? And you may think, wow, this cop's pretty nice. They're just inviting me over to have a beer. But you know what? They're not inviting you over to have a beer. You're going to go into this interview and they are going to ask specific questions. Where were you on this date? What were you doing on this date? Who were you with? Have you ever met this person? How often are you with them? That's a lot of questions and you're going to be freaked out. People call us after these interviews and they say, oh my gosh, I thought the officer just wanted me to come hang out and it was so much more than that. And not in that kind of way, so much more like, holy cow, why are they asking all these questions? So what you need to understand is, how does it get to this point? First, it starts with an allegation. Someone makes an allegation. This person's called a complaining witness. They make that allegation, then they're interviewed in a SANE interview. That's a sexual assault nurse examiner. Then they're usually taken to a forensic interview. And all of this gives the cops a lot of information. So that's why when you go to that interview, they have so much to ask, but you have rights. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to talk to the police. What you need to do is you need to contact Blast Law before you go to an interview so we can help.